I told them this is how I'm going to play my community. As a Sikh guy, I will tie the turban, and I keep a person who tie a turban properly. It's not like a topi or something. Then so many, because I am a Nitnemi also. ना यार, I believe in Sikhism a lot. मैं नितनेम करता हूँ और मैं believe करता हूँ, मैं गुरबानी में believe करता हूँ. तो मेरा एक फ़र्ज़ बनता है कि उस चीज़ को मैं उसी रिस्पेक्ट के साथ लेके चलूँ. आई एम लिटिल इमोशनल टूवर्ड्स माई कम्युनिटी एंड माई पंजाबियत. मुझे अपने पंजाब से बहुत प्यार है. आज भी मुझे बॉम्बे में आकर फिरोजपुरिया बुलाते लोग. सो आई वॉज बॉर्न एंड बॉर्न इन फिरोजपुर. अगेन आई से इट्स अ ब्लेसिंग. मैं बता रहा हूँ, हम फौदा देख रहे थे एक बार कोरोना के टाइम पे. सो आई वॉज लविंग द शो एंड आई वॉज हुक्ड टू द शो. एंड वन डे तो मेहर केम एंड सेड, लिसन यार, ये शो बड़ा अच्छा है. I don't know if they'll give me this kind of job or no. So she said, I also don't think so. आप चाय बनाओ जाके. So I said, okay, because we were all cooking था ना, कुछ झाड़ू पोछे भी खुद कर रहे थे. And with God's grace, like कुछ एक साल बाद या 8 महीने बाद maybe, so they called me and they said कि we want you to play Doron, the character, main character of Fauda. I told my wife, I said, see, I was telling you, they want me. She said, वो भी सब ठीक है, चाय बनाओ जाके. After 1 year, Mr. Amir Khan called me and they wanted me to play Mohammad Paji, which was Lieutenant Dan. So I don't know, it's manifestation or something. I think so. It's happening. I think people loved the film on OTT. They so many times people said sorry to me on Instagram and all कि पाजी हमको देखना चाहिए था. I don't know हमने क्यों बातों में आ गए. Then how it is, you know.
Hello everyone, I'm Rudrani and welcome to Speak Easy. My guest is very special. I'm right now in the beautiful place of Kashmir. I'm in Srinagar. I'm here for the onsets of Tanav and I'm with the man who's been leading his team literally in the show and now for the second season as well. He's a man who's never let himself be stereotyped and has done different kind of roles. And let's find out more about Manav Vij. Hello, welcome to the show.
Thank you so much. Thank you for inviting.
Of course, I meant every word. बहुत मुश्किल होता है ना, because Manav as an actor, आप कभी नहीं चाहोगे कि आपको वही टाइप के रोल्स मिले. पर अगर कुछ चल जाता है जिसको आपको प्रेज मिलता है तो लोग हमेशा बोलते हैं ऐसा कुछ करना चाहिए आपको. But somehow, और वो I think is the worst thing for an actor, right? Because you don't want to be caught in that trap of it. You've kind of managed to sort of do different kind of roles in the zone as well. So मुझे was that a difficult thing for you?
I don't think so. It was difficult. मैंने same time के भी किए हैं कई बार. I think I've played 4 times cop. But what I did was कि उन cop को different मैंने थोड़ा सा बनाया, like whatever it is. मुश्किल है because sometimes people say कि ऐसे ही कुछ करवाओ इससे. But मैं भी अड़ियल हूँ. So मैं भी अड़ जाता हूँ. फिर wait करता हूँ. You know, थोड़ा सा patience मेरे में ज़्यादा है शायद. But eventually it has fallen in place. So I think it's working out. I hope audience are liking it. So I played villain also. I played positive also. I think I'm blessed one. So maybe that's the reason. Yes.
Like I said in the beginning, तनाव के sets पे आज हमने देखा तनाव कैसा होता है. और like I said, you've been leading them judicially. बहुत ही interesting scene था. But tell me how going into a second season is. फर्स्ट सीज़न का ये प्रॉब्लम होता है कि काश लोगों को पसंद आ जाए. अब एक फ़ैन बेस जब बिल्ड हो जाती है उसको बरकरार रखते हुए अपने किरदार के ग्राफ को भी होपफुली थोड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग बनाया जाए, राइट? नहीं तो वही पेस में अगर अटक गया तो प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है. मुझे ये ख्याल भी आता ही होगा, ऑफ कोर्स यू नो यू हैव राइटर्स एंड पीपल वर्किंग ऑन इट. तो मुझे उसके बारे में बताइए.
देखिए, डेफिनेटली आप सेकेंड सीज़न में जाते हो तो कुछ लोग एक्सपेक्टेशन रखते हैं कि अभी क्या होगा. जब आपके पास अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट हो, अच्छी स्टोरी लाइन हो, अच्छे डायरेक्टर्स हो, अच्छा प्रोडक्शन हाउस हो, तो थिंग्स बिकम वेरी नॉर्मल फॉर यू. आई डोंट थिंक सो इतना कुछ स्ट्रेस होता है. मेरे लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट ये था कि मुझे उस किरदार को एक नॉच हायर लेके जाना था. सो देन वी सेट ऑन इट. हमने उस पर डिस्कस किया. वी वर्कड ऑन इट अबाउट वेपन हैंडलिंग से लेकर द वे ही इज़ गोना कैरी इट. लाइक आई हैव केप्ट अ बियर्ड. सो 18 महीने हो गए हैं. व्हाट ही इज़ डूइंग विद हिज फादर, व्हाई स्टेइंग विद हिज फादर, यू नो. उसकी साइकी को स्टडी करके वी हैव मूव फॉरवर्ड. बट आई थिंक सो वी आर गोइंग वेरी वेल. फ्रॉम लास्ट 2 months वी आर शूटिंग. आई थिंक we are one notch higher. Yes, when right. Yes. Making it better. Even better. Yes. I'm sure. I saw some rush print. I saw some 10 minute and all. I think we have done it, so we are there. Yes.
Besides being talented, Manav of course is a very modest man. इसीलिए खुद की आप तारीफ कभी ज़्यादा करते हो नहीं obviously. और कहीं पे आप ये भी कहते हो कि मुझे तो लगता है जहाँ मैंने बुरी एक्टिंग भी की है, where I've acted bad, I've still got love for it and I've gotten away with it. I rarely hear actors say point these things out. आपको लगता है ये आपको ये हुआ है आपको? I mean, or are you just like underselling yourself?
No, I'm not underselling. I'm very honest about this. मैं कुछ पढ़ा लिखा एक्टर नहीं हूँ. मैं I was in a medical college and I said कि चलो मॉम मुझे एक्टर बनना है. So she sent me, brave of her. धीरे धीरे करके मैं थोड़ा सीखता गया. I think I got married to the better actors than me. So वो अच्छा करती थी, उस चक्कर में मुझे और अच्छा करना पड़ा. And अगर एक्टिंग में आप नंबर दोगे तो 10 में से 5 ही हैं. But where I score sometimes I think I'm blessed one. I get a right team at the right time. People surrounding me are very honest. And my honesty and loyalty works for me more than acting sometimes. And then I'm a soldier more than an actor. Because मैं कहता हूँ आ जाओ चलो करते हैं, let's do it. You know, my wish to excel, make it happen. So बड़ी बार होता है कि जब हम शॉट दे रहे हैं तो उनको लगता है okay शॉट है, but I get a lot of good reviews for that. So then I call my director and say, see what I was telling you. Sometimes it's all about soul, not about acting. So I think that's what I meant to say. मतलब I may not do the accurate acting what people say, but they feel it, so that they get entertained. हमारा काम हो गया.
और शो देखने के बाद जो कि फौदा ऑफ कोर्स सब तो सबको पता है, हम सेकंड सीजन में हैं. इट्स यू नो एन इजरायली शो कॉल फौदा जिसको आप देख रहे हो और फिर आपको लगता है कि अरे यू नो मुझे ऐसा शो काश मिले. एंड योर वाइफ लेट हिम टेल द रेस्ट ऑफ द स्टोरी एंड आई वांट मोर बिहाइंड दैट. तो मैनिफेस्टेशंस तो आप कर ही लेते हो.
आई डोंट नो मैनिफेस्टेशन है या अगेन आई से इट्स अ ब्लेसिंग. मैं बता रहा हूँ, हम फौदा देख रहे थे एक बार कोरोना के टाइम पे. So I was loving the show and I was hooked to the show. And one day तो Meher came and said, listen यार ये show बड़ा अच्छा है. I don't know if they'll give me this kind of job or no. So she said हाँ I also don't think so. आप चाय बनाओ जाके. So I said okay because we were all cooking था ना, कुछ झाड़ू पोछे भी खुद कर रहे थे. And with God's grace like कुछ 1 साल बाद या 8 महीने बाद maybe, so they called me and they said कि we want you to play Doron. The character, main character of Fauda. I told my wife, I said, see, I was telling you, they want me. She said, वो भी सब ठीक है, चाय बनाओ जाके. No, maybe, you know, maybe my family keeps me grounded. कि कहीं ऊपर सिर पे लेके बैठ गया. Then he'll start thinking no end of himself because we Panjus do that all the time. You know, हमें अपने alloys ज़्यादा प्यारे होते हैं गाड़ी से भी. So she knows I belong to Firozpur. It's a small town. I can take it in another way. So I think my family knows how to keep me grounded. So कहते पहले चाय बनाओ बाद में करेंगे जो करना है.
ये कहा मुझे लगता है कि आपकी वाइफ को आप आपके सबसे ऑनेस्ट क्रिटिक कहोगे. और डू यू ऑल ट्राई टू नॉट कमेंट ऑन लाइक कीप योर वर्क सेपरेट?
No. She's very honest. My dad also, my brother also. They are honest. That's why it's very easy for me to understand कि कहाँ मैं गलत हो रहा हूँ. They don't pamper me for no rhyme and reason. I think last time also she gave me the tip कि अब second season में ये करना, which I have done. So are you gonna watch it? Yes.
आपने off camera तो बोल पूछा.
No, but I can't tell you what I did. But there's a minor difference I did with my few things, and I think so. The creatives called me that day. Said something you have done. हमको समझ में नहीं आ रहा. मैं कहता Meher effect. So let's go. Yeah.
I love it. मैं guess करने वाली हूँ. शायद आपको message करके पूछूंगी कि मैंने
Yeah,
सही guess किया कि-
please do that. It's very minor, but it's not about histrionics. It's not about acting.
Some mannerism, something.
कुछ आपको लगेगा कुछ तो गड़बड़ की है इसने.
मैं कोशिश करूँगी कि मैं
Yeah,
guess
please do that.
एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग बात पूछनी थी आपको. ऑफ कोर्स पहले ये तो बात कर लूँ कि एक और मैनिफेस्टेशन भी की थी आपने मुझे कहा था.
मैंने कुछ ना 1 साल पहले while I was offered लाल सिंह चड्ढा, मतलब मैंने फेसबुक पे या इंस्टाग्राम पे एक पोस्ट डाली थी अबाउट अंधाधुन, बट आई रोट द डायलॉग ऑफ फॉरेस्ट गंप. सो आई रोट इट एंड ऑल. मामा सेज दैट लाइफ इज़ लाइक अ बॉक्स ऑफ चॉकलेट्स एंड ऑल, सब कुछ चल रहा था. तो नीचे किसी ने कमेंट किया कि पाजी आई थिंक यू शुड प्ले फॉरेस्ट गंप, है ना. तो मैंने इसको नीचे बोला नहीं, आई डोंट थिंक सो आई कैन प्ले फॉरेस्ट गंप. आई वुड लाइक टू डू दैट गैरी सिनीज पार्ट, लेफ्ट एंड डैंग. And after 1 year, that guy only sent me that screenshot कि you replied to me on Facebook, which you generally don't. And why did you reply? I don't know. After 1 year, Mr. Amir Khan called me and they wanted me to play Mohammad Paji, which was Lieutenant Dan. So I don't know, it's manifestation or something. I think so. It's happening. Yeah, yeah, definitely.
But because you brought that up, Manav, it's, I think, Lal Singh Chaddha today, I think after OTT made got so much love. But it was really sad that at that time, because of so much trend, ye karo, boycott this, boycott that the movie's business was really affected. And I know Amir has been very vocal about how it impacted him. And the people who were invested, you, Mona, all of you all, had put in everything. And then people called it like a soulful film and once it got released. But I think what happened was also, as an actor, of course, it must have been really, really, in a way, besides being emotional, it must have been hurtful to all of the people involved.
See, genuinely बोलूँ तो effect होना चाहिए, पर मैं होता नहीं. उसके पीछे reason है. मेरी परवरिश ही ऐसी हुई है. I just move on. I don't fight with the destiny for no rhyme and reason. मैं कर्मा पे बहुत विश्वास करता हूँ. हमने अपना कर्म किया है. It'll pay off. Energy cannot be destroyed, So whenever we do a craft thing or we go on set, we work hard, वो कभी destroy नहीं होता. आपकी honesty कभी destroy नहीं होती. I just move on. इतना ध्यान दूंगा उनकी तरफ तो फिर आगे काम नहीं कर पाऊंगा. So definitely hurt होता है as a human, but बहुत कम समय के लिए. I think people loved the film on OTT. They so many times people said sorry to me on Instagram and all कि पाजी हमको देखना चाहिए था. I don't know हमने क्यों बातों में आ गए. Then how it is, जो होना है वो होना है. Sometimes you just say कि okay, let's move on, let's work on the next project. Actor की we are like banjaras, Every time we go on another set, we meet another kind of people. So we get busy with life.
जैसे कि आज का माहौल भी है, let the show, okay, people who might not show anything that happens in Kashmir, people without knowing start reacting, right? जब I'm sure पहले टाइम भी आया था, they like अपनी खुद की भी एक पॉलिटिक्स होती है, एक आइडियोलॉजी होती है जब आप ऐसे शो में करते हो जहाँ of course there is a political background. Sudhir is very open about the fact that I'm absolute, I know where my politics lies, but I'm also telling a story. As an actor, you also have your own thing, right? कि कहानी बताएंगे, but it cannot, like my ideology is going to stay the way it is. Of course, I'm doing an actor. How do you deal with this parallel? When it comes to a subject like Kashmir, how do you look at that? Particularly because of how Kashmir is, how the situation has been, and your show is around that.
See, if you ask me as an actor, it's just a craft for me. मैं सोचता हूँ, but again, at the end of the day, you're surrounded by the right people. You have Sudhir Mishra, you have Sameer Nair, you have Applause Entertainment. दिमाग वाले लोग हैं. So मैं कोई क्वेश्चन होता तो मैं इनको पुट करता हूँ, डेफिनेटली पुट करता हूँ. बट मेरे क्वेश्चंस बहुत कम होते हैं. मैं ये असल में बहुत लोगों को जानकारी नहीं है कि लाइक आई एम नलायक, वेरी नलायक. So no, I'm very nalayak that way. Yeah. My whole agenda is, my whole focus is कि what they want to achieve, I should not be a burden on them. I should give them 100% and let them achieve it, right? And yes, if you then I have to be smart enough to pick up this kind of show. If it is not packaged well, and I'm picking this kind of concept, then I'm wrong. So the best part of an artist is when he's picking such kind of project which can go this or this way, and then he knows that people surrounding, they are not packaging it well, or they're not having that intellect, then it's my mistake, which I generally don't do.
तो बेसिकली इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर यू फॉर आइडियोलॉजीज थोड़ा मैच करना ना उनके साथ. एक वो मेरा सवाल वो भी था, कितना ज़रूरी है आपके लिए कि जिससे आप बात कर रहे हो उनकी आइडियोलॉजी थोड़ा आपसे मैच करे, क्योंकि उसमें गड़बड़ हो सकती है बाद में, राइट?
हाँ, वो आइडियोलॉजी मैच होनी चाहिए. आपका एक जेलिंग पॉइंट होना चाहिए, आपका एक कनेक्ट होना चाहिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ आई एम टॉकिंग टू यू, समटाइम्स यू गेट टू वर्क विद अ डायरेक्टर और अ प्रोड्यूसर जहाँ पर आप उनको समझ नहीं पा रहे हो, देन यू शुड बी grounded enough, no ego, never demean anyone, and just listen to them. Maybe you'll be able to gel with a new person in life, and that's something which you have never explored in life. So that's how it is. I got your point. I think it's a very good question कि आपकी ideology और आपकी हर चीज़ sink in होनी चाहिए. Otherwise you can't reach to the, you know, the last part of the thing. Yeah, I agree with you.
I'll end with the last two questions. Manav, it's also interesting when I spoke to a lot of Punjabi artists, you know, चाहे वो singers हो या movie में हो. एक दौर ऐसा होता था, of course we've come way ahead, जहाँ पे बहुत stereotypical representation होता था, whether it was with Sardars, whether with Thing, and people have put across. You've been very sensitive in choosing, of course, you know, you've been very respectful of whatever role you choose, especially when you're representing a community like that, and that's how it should be. But have you faced biases? Have you had to ever, in situations, make yourself like, "Yeah, this is not how we are"?
See, I'm very proud that people have fought for it. I'm telling you, I think it was stupidity on their behalf. The most intellectual people in the whole world, you go to any part of the world, they are nailing it. So मेरे को ऐसा करना नहीं पड़ा because I was very very hellbent. I'm a little stubborn also. Honestly, the more grounded I am, but I'm very stubborn because कोई आदमी बहुत grounded और शरीफ हो जाता ना तो उसकी अड़चन भी बड़ी हो जाती है, you know, like. So they never came to me. Like I told them, this is how I'm going to play my community. As a Sikh guy, I will tie the turban, and I keep a person who tie a turban properly. It's not like a topi or something. Then so many. Because I am a Nitnemi also, ना यार. I believe in Sikhism a lot. मैं नितनेम करता हूँ और मैं believe करता हूँ, मैं गुरबानी में believe करता हूँ. तो मेरा एक फ़र्ज़ बनता है कि उस चीज़ को मैं उसी रिस्पेक्ट के साथ लेके चलूँ. सो वो मर्यादा मैं रखता हूँ. वो शायद मेरे ऑरा में दिखता है तो वो मेरे पास कभी कुछ गलत लेके नहीं आते. उनको लगता है मारा ही ना कहीं पकड़ के. सो आई थिंक आई एम लिटिल इमोशनल टूवर्ड्स माई कम्युनिटी एंड माई पंजाबियत. मुझे अपने पंजाब से बहुत प्यार है. आज भी मुझे बॉम्बे में आकर फिरोजपुरिया बुलाते हैं लोग. सो आई वॉज बॉर्न एंड बॉटम इन फिरोजपुर. मुझे अच्छा लगता है. आई एम नॉट अगेंस्ट एनीवन, बट मैं पैदा वहाँ पर हुआ, मेरी माँ ने मुझे उधर पाला, मुझे प्यार मिलता है. सो आई मेक श्योर आई डू वन पंजाबी फिल्म इन 2 or 3 years, बिकॉज जब मैं वो अपनी भाषा बोलता हूँ तो that's how it is. Yeah, that's how it is. Yeah.
Okay, ending it with this question. You've done such fantastic roles like you mentioned Andhadhun. I must say, यार कितना मज़ेदार किरदार था यार. मतलब it was obviously, and Sriram Raghavan is an absolute genius. The film is iconic. Someone took a chance on you, thought of you in doing that, and then of course you had people like Tabu and I wanted to know when you're doing it in the post reactions that you got. And as an actor today, do you feel, what are the genres you feel like people should come to you? It's something crazy.
मैंने अंधाधुन में 1-2 सीन्स किए थे. People were dying laughing. फिर मैं उनके बोल रहा हूँ, मैंने कहा यार wasn't I comic enough? So फिर वो कहते हैं सर आपकी आंखें बड़ी हैं, आप फाड़ के देखो. मैंने कहा अच्छा फाड़ के देख लेता हूँ. तो लॉट ऑफ पीपल सेड कि आज कोई भी फिल्म उठा लो, तू किसी बीवी के साथ घूम रहा होता है. मैंने कहा यार ये भी छोड़ना पड़ेगा मुझे. So there was one film called Brij Mona Mar Rahe, and then Andhadhun. Somewhere down the line, I don't know, I don't eye other people's women, but the kind of roles I was getting. So eventually, the Prithviraj Chauhan was my last film until now. I will pick up villain because I love playing characters. But for now, I'm waiting for my next 2-3 projects coming out. Yes, I'm playing again Sardar in my next show. And yes, we have done a very good job in that. So the whole team was amazing. Gant will be coming on Jio Cinema. It's a Viacom tipping point. The people who made Jamtara and all. So great creative people. And then you know, as Tanaf Sudhin 2 is coming, then there's one more show. Our tentative title is Innocent, which is Applause Show, and that is directed by Mr. Srinivas only. So we have already finished it. So we're going ahead. Let's see.
Good direction. Good. You're kind of happy, right?
I'm always happy. I'm always happy. जीत भी उसकी, हार भी उसकी, है ना?
I love that. Very inspiring. I really hope that this is just the beginning, like I always say, and I hope it just gets even better for you because you're a fantastic actor, and I hope you get crazy roles to do. We'd love to see you in even more crazier roles. And thank you for chatting with me. I hope you had fun.
Yes, lovely talking to you. Lovely talking. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.